March 6, 2024 AI News. KAIST develops next-generation ultra-low-power LLM accelerator. Ever wondered how the brain's intricate workings could revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence? Imagine a future where your devices understand and process information at lightning speed, using a fraction of the power. What if I told you that future is now closer than ever? Thanks to groundbreaking research from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology KAIST, the wizards at KAIST, led by the visionary Professor Yoo Hoi-jun, have unveiled an innovation that might just redefine AI as we know it. The world's first complementary transformer AI chip. Crafted with precision using Samsung Electronics' advanced 28-nanometer process. This chip is not just any hardware. It's a leap into the future. A neuromorphic computing marvel that mirrors the human brain's own structure and functionality. But what does this mean for you and me? For starters, imagine powering up generative AI services like ChatGPT on your laptop. With tasks such as summarizing texts, translating languages, or answering complex questions happening up to 9 times faster than before. And all of this without even needing to connect to the internet. This isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency. While traditional AI demands a heavy toll on resources, needing an army of GPUs and a small power plant's worth of electricity, KAIST's AI chip is a David to these Goliaths. Tiny yet mighty, it drastically slashes power consumption, using just 1/625 of the energy and being a mere 1/41 the size of conventional GPUs. So, as we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one can't help but wonder what challenges will we tackle next. How will this innovation shape the future of technology, and in what new and exciting ways? Will AI integrate into our daily lives? Stay tuned, because the journey into the AI frontier is just beginning. And the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination.